Now, why did one of my followers say this is what my cake was gonna look like? Are you guys teaming up against me now? Are you siding with my mom and my sister now? You already know what's have to happen. I have to prove them wrong. So I'm making Jack Skellington into a cake. Truthfully, I think this movie is so boring. I don't even think I finished the movie. I don't get the hype over it. I think it's the worst Halloween movie. I said it. I decided to make the cake, his body, and the head just Rice Krispie treats. He got a long, skinny neck. It's gonna crack. It's gonna snap one day. It's just got boop, and rest in peace. I made his tie out of fondant. His tie's pretty sharp. I like the little cat detail. I sculpted his face, and I added stripes using white food coloring. I just hand painted the stripes. I don't want to hear any comments about the wooden squares right there, okay? I had a little structure issue. I had to make it work. You can't tell. No comments, nothing. I still did it. You can't hate me. And voila, this is a Jack Skellington cake that doesn't look like the photo y'all think it would have. I did not know there was that many Nightmare Before Christmas stands. Just be honest with yourself. The movie sucks. And I saw the comment. You said he wasn't supposed to have a nose. He looks like E.T. He's ugly. So I'm taking him apart and making him into Sally. Hopefully you guys think Sally looks better than Jack Skellington. And I still stand firm on my opinion that the movie isn't a great Halloween movie or a Christmas movie. Because if you say it's a Christmas movie, there are way better Christmas movies such as Elf. Elf is iconic. There's no argument there. So for Sally, they basically have the same structure, that thin neck that's gonna snap one day. I made her face blue, added some details, and it goes through a process. She's a little scary, honestly, but I feel like she's supposed to be scary. Just like her eyes, just like, whoop, you know, a little jump scare. I gave her the red hair, and then I also touched up her makeup. It's like I'm a makeup artist, I'm a baker, a construction worker. Although I failed on the construction on this cake, but you can't see the wooden skewers anymore. And one more time, the movie's so boring. Bye!